Okay, so today is gonna be just a quick introduction. I have done this a few times, but I am going to start doing my YouTube videos and start doing them more as a job, not a hobby. So to start off, I will be learning how to do the lighting correctly, get my setup all set up how I want it, and everything. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Amber, and I just opened Sweet Serenity Co. I quit my job and decided to pursue my own business in wax melts and candles. I make other things too, but for this page, like, it will all be about my small business and pretty much my steps from the time that I have quit my job to the time that, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm making really good money with my business. I am doing a farmer's market every Thursday, so that is happening right now. It is from 4 to 8, and from here on out, you guys will be seeing me making YouTube videos. I'm going to start doing all the things with making the thumbnails beforehand, doing the scripts, making sure everything's wrote out, like everything that you need to be able to make your YouTube channel pop and go off. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get myself a really good microphone eventually. I just can't afford it, and we're just going to go from there. I'm actually in the process of trying to get my sublimation printer to print. If you guys have some questions, comment below and I will make videos on any questions that you guys have that includes my small business. So things that I do so that you guys can understand is I make custom pins, and I do this with UV resin. I don't make my pins with epoxy, so if that is something that you guys would like to see, comment below. I have mastered wax melts, still learning candles. There's a testing process with that, big testing process. So if you are making candles, just know that the testing process is a thing, and it lasts a long time. I make epoxy cups, I make sublimation cups, I make sublimation makeup bags. I sublimate on almost anything. I make keychains, bookmarks, and earrings. So again, if there's anything like that that you guys want to know more about, you can go ahead and just let me know. I am really just wanting to get this YouTube channel, oh my goodness, up and going. I'm going to learn how to edit my videos, do all the things. So this is going to be my first one where I'm going to try, fingers crossed, to get it edited. We're going to see how well it works and what's going to work best for me. I do have one of those little like microphones that clip onto you, but last time I used it, it died halfway through my video, so I won't be using that anymore. I learned my lesson on that one because then I had to do a voiceover, which nobody wants to have to do a voiceover when you are literally just sitting here talking about how you are doing things. So I've made a video already about the background of me making my pins, the background on me doing my candles. So we're just going to keep going with the flow, and I'm going to upload a new video every week. I'm going to try for 2, but I'm not promising for 2 now. Right now it's going to be 1 video. So this is why I said it's going to be a little bit about me, because I want anybody that's going to be on this YouTube channel to kind of know what this channel is going to be and who I am and what I'm going to be showing you guys, so that if my content is not right for you, you do not have to waste your time and come in. However, if it is, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. It does help me, and I appreciate all the help that I can get as a small creator who is just starting out her business. This means a lot to me, so just doing those little things helps. I can say that I'm super excited about this. I'm ready for my new adventure that's in front of me. I know how to do sublimation. I've been doing sublimation for a while. I turned my Epson printer into a sublimation printer. I have been doing cups for a while, so I know the ins and the outs and the do's and the don'ts on those. So if you guys have any questions about those, please comment below and I will make a video about that. I am now just starting to learn how to do deep epoxy and things like that. And like I said, I'm just learning how to do candles. I just watched a YouTube video, because YouTube is amazing. If you've not been on here long, you should stick around, on how to do whipped candle wax. If you've not seen it, we'll be doing that on this channel, and then we'll also be doing what's called in beds. So it's just those little things like strawberries or flowers that you see at the top of the candles that make it all cutesy, because that is what I'm going to be doing. I am also a TikTok creator, so I do get on TikTok. I am an affiliate there, but I also have a shop on my TikTok, hence the background behind me. So those are some things that I do. I do go live on there and have a lot of fun with it. I do have 2 channels on my TikTok. One, I have like 3,000 followers, but it still doesn't go over well, but that's my affiliate shop one. And then my other one's my actual shop for my Sweet Serenity Co. shop. I did get my LLC for this. It did cost $100. I got that from my state's website. That's exactly how you do it. And I do believe I've already made a video and kind of walked you through that process. But if you guys need more in detail on how to get your LLC, please let me know. Comment below. I would love to be able to help you out. Anything that you know that, like, okay, as a small business, I'm going to tell you right now, I am not one of those people that have a lot of money in my pocket. I did not get a business loan because I can't get a business loan. To be honest, my credit's not great. So I'm working with what I've got. So what does that mean? That means that I bought my computer from Best Buy. It cost me $500. I have gotten things off the TikTok shop that are like little ring lights that I'm using and stuff. I'm working with what I have because at this point in time, like, that's what you have to do. You got to work with what you got. So please don't overthink anything. If you're starting YouTube, don't overthink it. Just start it. That's what I'm doing. If you're wanting to do TikTok, don't overthink it. Just start it. Just do it. A lot of times people sit there and get hung up. I've done it myself. I 100% have done this. Got hung up and thought, okay, well, this isn't good. Like, I need to look this way. I need to do this. I need to have this. Like, just start. Get your content out there and get going. And as you get going, you will get better. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just getting going, and this will get better as we go. I promise. So if you were like me and you were wanting to either have a hobby and make a little bit extra money, or if you're a stay-at-home mom and you need to make some money for your family, this channel is going to be for you, because I'm going to give you little tips and tricks and things that you can use to get some extra money into your home. I can say my sublimation business is what gets my business going by right now as I'm adding things to it. Eventually I'm going to add soap to it. Super excited. But I need to get my candles down first, one thing at a time, right? But my sublimation has really gotten me by at Christmas time, the holidays. Like, I am popping out sweaters and t-shirts like no other. People are ordering from me. I get orders off of Facebook. I get orders off of TikTok, and I get some orders off of Etsy. I have 2 Etsy shops open. However, I'm pretty sure I'm going to close those down except for my digital one. Not really making a whole lot of money. I've watched tons and tons of YouTube videos on it. I've got Everbee. I've done all the things. Like, it's just not working for me. So if something's not working and you've tried and it's just not working for you, that's okay. Just move on to the next. Move on to the next thing, try it out, see what it can do for you, and keep going. I know that some people, you know, Facebook isn't for them and it's more Instagram, or TikTok may not be for you and it's more the Flip app. Like, whatever works for you, just start it and do it. If you have any questions though throughout this whole entire process, please feel free to jump down in that comments selection and put your comments down there, and I can answer any questions that you guys have. We're going to learn this all together. We're going to get going together. It's a lot of fun. I'm excited to kind of see where this goes and what's going to happen. I am a mother of 4, 2 of which, one will be 19 next month. I've got one who is 18, turning 19 in December. I then have one that is going to turn 15 in August, and another one who is 12, who is doing her dance comp. Dance comp, if you've never had to do that, is very expensive, and there's lots and lots of money that you have to pay into this. So this is why I started this YouTube channel, to just try and help pay for her dance competitions and kind of put some more money back into our pocket since I did quit my job. I want to be able to be successful with my business, and so I'm going to do everything I can. There's no excuses. I cannot get up and just lay around all day. That's not going to be the deal. My deal is I got to get up, do it like a job, work it like a job, get the things done that I need to get done, and then once I get my stuff done, if I want to sit down and relax, then I can. But at the same time, just remember when you're doing these things, guys, don't overwhelm yourself. If you're feeling anxiety and you're getting overwhelmed and you're freaking out, you need to take a step back. You're doing too much. Take a step back, take a deep breath, and look at what needs to be more important than the others, and then maybe back burner some of it and bring it to the forward later. I've had to learn to do that. I've had to learn how to even just like make my earrings while I'm watching TV, so I'm not overthinking it, and it's given me something to do. So I'm still making stuff, but I'm able to sit down and watch my TV show. There's all different things that you guys can do, and I'm here to help you through all of it. It is going to be something that I have been doing for years, as far as like sublimation and making earrings and stuff like that. I make it with my Cricut machine, so if that's a video you guys want to see, let me know. But I am super excited about this journey, and I'm happy to be sharing it with you guys, and I'm really happy that you guys are here and being supportive. I've noticed that the YouTube community is one of the best communities out there. So if you guys have any questions during all of it, I mean, like I've said about a bazillion times, if you have questions, let me know. However, so some of the things that like I said, I use for sublimation, I do use Silhouette Studio. Even though I have a Cricut machine, it does print off the best. So I can show you how to use Silhouette Studio to use for your sublimation. I can show you how to turn your printer into a sublimation printer. I can show you how I print with my home printer with not even having to worry about how many pages I'm printing or ink because of who I use and what I use. I do not have one of those little label printers yet. I want one, can't wait to get one. But we work with what we got here. We work with what we have and how we're going to do it. Like I said, I use things that, you know, most people probably wouldn't think to use. So if you're looking for a creative way that's cheaper to be able to start a business that might either be a hobby or, like I said, stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, and you need to make some extra money, this channel's for you. Anyways, I feel like I'm repeating myself and I don't want to be doing that. So I'm going to stop this video now, and I will be back either later this week or next week with a really good video. And we'll just start diving into each individual piece of my business and what I do. We'll probably maybe do like breakdowns of things that I use, things that I have, because I'm telling you guys, I'm doing this all on a budget. So if you're on a budget like I am and you don't have money to be spending, I get it. So anyways, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and that like button. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day.